Feel like you'll never be able to pay off your debt? Sick of living paycheck to paycheck? No worries, there are strategies for paying off your debt faster and regain your financial control. Hey there, Svet. I'm CEO of tech company. I have staff of 20 people and I'm 25. Although I may not be a full-time expert in personal finance, I have learned a lot along the road and can provide some advice what has and hasn't worked for me. I'm hoping to be able to help you with your own financial path by sharing some experience with you. If you're too afraid to figure out exactly how much you owe and how much interest you're paying on big sums, you'll never be able to pay off your credit card debt. Therefore, mention the credit card balance and interest rate, create a strategy to understand which credit card will be the hardest to pay off, and just start with the hardest one. Assessing your monthly income and all expenses you have, this is the first step of paying off credit card debt. Face the facts. Make monthly budget with money set aside for credit card payments. Set aside money in envelopes for things like food, personal care and other stuff you can pay cash. This will help you to understand where do you waste your money the most. To develop a budget and debt repayment strategy that works for you, it's a good idea to consult a credit counselor at non-profit credit counseling agencies that offer its service for free or for small cost. It's definitely a good idea to apply for credit cards that offers 0% of APR for introduction period. It can be between 6 and 18 months or even a couple of years if you have a big credit card balance. Make sure that any balance transfer cost is less than interest you would pay if you kept the balance in your existing card. You will pay about 3% on transfer fee on new card. This is a great idea for reducing interest cost. But be careful, no matter how tempted you can be, before taking any purchase using 0% APR, make sure you can cover your balance until expiration date, because interest rate will get higher. Nobody wants to put full day of work only to live for another one. No one desires to be in debt forever. Take a side hustle, house cleaning, delivery, or find a way how you can increase your income using your skills you already have. And stick on it for a few months. Then use every dollar you make from that side job to pay down your credit card debt, beginning with the one you are currently striving to pay off. Whether you like it or not, but increasing your income is a faster way to pay off debt. So grit your teeth and put much more effort to your employment today to achieve your financial independence later. Remember, the paying off debt is a journey and does not occur instantly. However, you will be well on the way to recovering your financial freedom by developing budget, prioritizing your debt, increasing your income, and stay motivated. You enjoyed this video and want to learn more about benefits of starting a saving account early? Check this video.